Sometimes you feel lost and confused about your life. You don't know what to do next, and everything feels unclear. But feeling lost does not mean you are broken or weak. It simply means you are growing and changing. Everyone's journey is different. When you compare your life with others, you create unnecessary pain. Social media only shows highlights, not real struggles. So stop judging your life based on what you see online. Bring your focus back to today. Today is the only place where you have control. Take a deep breath. This moment is your chance to reset your mind. Ask yourself one simple question. What is one small step I can take today? Small steps bring clarity. Small goals reduce stress and confusion. Your daily basics matter more than motivation. Sleep, food, and routine come first. A bad routine creates a confused mind, but good sleep gives clarity, energy, and emotional balance. Too much phone use creates mental noise. Silence helps your mind think clearly. A simple daily routine removes confusion. It does not need to be perfect, only consistent. Don't try to fix your whole life at once. Focus on winning today only. One small win today is enough. Overthinking keeps you stuck, but action clears confusion. Progress can be slow, and that is okay. Slow progress still moves you forward. When you keep promises to yourself, self-trust grows. That is what discipline really means. Mistakes are part of learning. Every mistake teaches you something important. End your day with reflection. Reflection turns confusion into direction. Repeat this system every day. Clarity comes slowly with consistency. You are not behind in life. You are learning and growing at your own pace. Follow the system even on bad days. Fix today, then repeat tomorrow. Slowly, life starts making sense. Confidence grows quietly. This phase of your life is called growth. A calm mind sees clearly. You are moving in the right direction. You are not lost. You are becoming.